This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately by setting a short timer for 10 to 15 minutes. This creates urgency and focus. Use a bright light and a small bag to collect anything you uncover, and keep a quick notebook to log locations checked. Start at the spot you last remember, then scan surrounding surfaces and pockets methodically. Once done with that zone, make sure to expand in concentric circles. Move from obvious to hidden places, keeping hands visible and deliberate so you don't overlook small items. Now switch to a zone sweep. Divide the room into numbered areas and search each one completely before moving on. Check obvious and hidden spaces, under cushions, inside pockets, behind furniture, and any containers. Use a checklist and mark zones as cleared. This prevents repetition and narrows where the item can be. If the item is small, move slowly and visually scan at different heights, floor level, waist level, eye level, because light and angle often reveal things you missed the first time. Finally, retrace your recent actions in order. Recreate the sequence of where you went and what you touched. People often remember additional details when prompted by movement. If that fails, widen the search to your car, workplace, purses, pockets, and laundry. Check recent places you visited. Make sure to slow down and avoid frantic searching. If you still can't find it, pause and ask someone to help. An extra pair of eyes or a different perspective often spots what you overlooked, so communicate where you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.